Okay, so today we are going to go through indices, a topic that's covered in Secretary Express normally. Okay, uh, when it comes to this topic, there's only two things that I want you to pay attention to. Okay, the first one is base, and the second is your index. Index, or in simpler word, is power. Okay, so only pay attention to base and the index or power. Main things, right? So the first six indices laws as such, as what you see on the screen here, and I will go through with you on how to rectify all these laws. Okay, but first, let's look in this manner. The first two laws, number 3 and 4, and then 5 and 6 are just by themselves. Okay, so law number 1 and 2, both bases are the same. Both bases are the same for 1 and 2, but the powers are different. So the way to rectify them is because the powers are the same, the bases are the same, you just keep the bases. And because this one is a times, you need to multiply. Therefore, it will translate to a plus. So you plus the powers, m plus n. Okay? If it is now, instead of multiply, you need to divide, it translates to a subtract, meaning, so a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so this is simply the first two ways to solve, this is the first two ways of to rectify your indices law, right? Next one, this time now, the bases are different, but your powers are the same. Okay, same goes for number 3 and 4. Bases are different, but the powers are the same. So what you do is, since the bases are different, but the powers are the same, we keep the powers, we multiply the bases. So it's a multiplied b, the power is m. Okay, as for number 4, when you need to divide, we divide the bases, a divided by b, and the power is m. All right, so these are the first 4 laws of indices, and you must know all these 4 laws, because when you introduce the next 4 more laws or 5 more laws, you need to go back to using all these or any of these 5 or 6 laws. All right, so law number 5, something that we've seen in Sec 2. Okay, when you have a power outside an index and a base with index, okay, with a bracket this way. So what you do is just multiply the power. So it's a power m multiplied by n. Right? So this is law number 5. Anytime you see bases and 2 powers side by side with brackets, you just need to multiply it. And last one, okay, last one is the easiest, law number 6. It says a to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so to me, it's not something that you need to really remember. Not something that you need to stress upon. It's just a law that anything over 0 equals to 1, and just remember it once and for all. Okay, so yeah, so this is the introduction of the first 6 laws. Catch you at the next video for a detailed example on each of the laws. All right.